Today we're going to talk about using the advanced search features of Google. When you're doing a search in a search engine or database, you usually search for a phrase such as obesity in America. Or you can put in a full question such as how do I make beer bread? Well, these are simple searches. Depending on how the search engine or database reads your query, you'll get very different results back. Many search engines and databases have advanced options on how you can phrase your query to get more specific results. In order to use the advanced Google search options, let's go to www.google.com/advanced _search. The first option you have is to find all these words. This is the same as a normal Google search, as it will find a page that has these words in any order and anywhere on the page. The second option is to find the exact word or phrase. This means that if you put in American cheese, it will only bring back results that have these two words side by side. For example, it would bring up American cheese health facts, but would not bring up cheese consumption in America. Both pages would have American and cheese in the page title, but only the first one would have both words side by side. On the right, you can see that to do this in a regular search window, you need to put quotations around the words that you want to find in exact order. The example they give is rat terrier. Let's try an example of our own. Open up a new tab for a regular Google search and type in American population statistics. We see our first result is from quickfacts.census.gov. Open up a new tab and go to Google. This time we're going to type in American population statistics, but we're going to put quotations around it and hit enter. And as we can see, my first results are from www.census.gov. Well, as you can see from our results, these are completely different from when we didn't use the quotations. And by specifying our exact order, we got terms that are closer to exactly what we needed. Now let's go back to our advanced search page and look at our next search box. This next box lets you specify that you want any of these words to appear on the page. For example, you could be looking for red or blue or green fish to go in your aquarium. On the right, we see to do this in a normal search, you need to use the word or between each word. The example they give is miniature or standard. This will be useful if you're looking for different sizes of a specific dog breed. Let's do an example. Open up a new tab and go to Google and search obesity in America, Canada, Germany. Now, open another tab and do a search for obesity in America or Canada or Germany. Now let's look at our results. Well, as you can see, we got some of the same results. But we also got some different ones back depending on how we phrased our search. Let's close these tabs and go back to our advanced search page. The next box lets us search for none of these things. We may want to do a search for all cheese except American cheese. If you look on the right, the way to do this in a regular Google search is to put a minus sign in front of the word or phrase you do not want to search for. In many databases, you just need to use the word not in front of the word. In the Google examples, they want to exclude the word rodent or the phrase Jack Russell in their search. So, if you were doing a search for rat terriers, you would not bring up any pages about any rats that were rodents or any pages about Jack Russell terriers. Let's try an example. Open up a new tab, and I'm going to do a search for the death penalty. This brings up results for and against the death penalty, but it does not sort them out by people who are for or against it. Open up a new tab, and this time search for death penalty minus against. This filters out any pages that mention the word against in reference to the death penalty. Let's go back to our advanced search page. The last Find Pages With box is number range. This could be useful to find things such as pages that mention certain dates, say between 2001 and 2003. On the right, you see that you can do this in a normal search by putting 2 periods between the numbers in your range. That's all for the operators you can use to alter your search, but below there are also some more advanced options you can use, such as only wanting pages of a certain language, last updated with a certain time, from within a certain specific website or domain, etc. You can use this advanced search page and put your requirements in each of the boxes, or you can use the operators they provide you in a regular search, like we've done in our examples. It can also be very effective to combine operators in regular searches. For example, if you wanted to find statistics in Tennessee or Arkansas about Good Samaritan laws, but not about damages from 2001 to 2010, you could do the search as quotation Good Samaritan law Tennessee or Arkansas minus damages 2001 2010. And this will bring back very specific results that you can use with your research. This same search could be done on the advanced search page by putting our terms in the correct boxes, as I've done here, and then clicking on Advanced Search here at the bottom. If you look in the search box, you see it created the same search as we did earlier on our own. We can also use these types of advanced search features in library databases, and we will do so in a different video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask a librarian.